No mai, Kia Ora. My name is Louie.
And more today, WINTON SCHOOL. I'm Kate. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Ahau the 14th of September.
Okay, sorry, no information yet about Tidy Class Awards. We'll tell you tomorrow. We have one more week left, people, so keep your classrooms tidy. A big kia ora to all the librarians. Library's open at 12:40 today.
It's clean and dry. It's also toasty warm. And there's books, magazines and beanbags. Kia ora.
Okay, on to te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is ki,
which is te reo for full, as in kua ki to puku. Is your tummy full?
No, ki te hiakai o. I am hungry.
Aren't you lucky it's morning tea time then?
No love. Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their Hi Viz vest to and from school. Please do likewise.
Science Fair news. A big congratulations to Bridget Smith and Holly Exel for their Silver Excellence Award.
Alia Bunning, Grace Griffin and Ella Leith also get a special mention for their commendation. Well done, ladies.
Inter-House Challenge news. It's the first day for the Inter-House Spelling Bee.
All Year 1 and 2 students who want to spell for their houses meet in the hall at 12:45 with a pencil.
House captains, please meet Mr. C in the hall with your lunch at 12:30.
A reminder about sandpit toys and sports gear being returned to the correct places at the end of lunch.
Do the right thing. Duty teachers and house captains are watching out and are also there to remind you too.
Mini ball news. Year 5 and 6, you have a training today and tomorrow at 12:45. If it's wet, you'll be in the hall. Thank you.
Okay, birthday news. Only one today at WINTON School. Connor Gilliland is the big 8. Happy birthday, Connor. Have a great day.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and start getting your loud shirt ready for Friday, WINTON School.